Today I want to talk about the dual mass replacement clutches fitted to the VT, VY and VU Commodores. One of the key things when you buy and fit one of these clutches, the dual mass replacement clutch, is that the clutch plate goes in the opposite way around to the conventional way of fitting the clutch plate. That is, the high side of the clutch goes towards the flywheel rather than inside the pressure plate, which is the way most other clutches are assembled. The clutch plate is supplied with notation on it as to which is the flywheel side. It's all outlined in the bulletin that comes in the kit, but if you need to know more, call us on 1300 369 787.